whole leg. I am so sorry.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Top of the morning, MTM fam. Little most, me not get no video to all my up and down. I'm busy. And Tami has gotten all the kids. So you getting ready to go to the gym now?
Yeah, well, drop them and then go gym.
Drop them and then go gym. And then I have to jet off to go and film the first episode of The Cut Season 2. So I'm very excited about that. We're going to have 2 top guests in the shop at the same time. It's going to be so cool. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. The kiddie wings are in the car if you don't believe me. Everybody is loaded up. Bags, water, bottle, lunch, kit. Guys, have a good day.
Okay.
Have a great day, as a matter of fact. Ivy, baby, you gonna practice for sports day? You gonna run?
Yeah.
And Mark, get set, go! Like how we do it at home. And Ozzy, you have football today.
Yeah.
Atlas, you have PE today. Jackson, you guys have exams and tests. So MTM family, tell them good luck.
Wait, I'm going to score goals.
You gonna score a goal?
Yeah.
You got to score a goal.
Yeah.
Bro. You are gonna
Scored
score a
2
goal too?
goals on
After the
Nadir
foot?
and
After the right
also
foot?
on the last
That's a
video. Then I scored 2 goals on Ashra Nadir.
Oh, nice.
You can turn off the outside lights on me.
The outside lights are off.
4 goals, you know? Yeah. No, 2 goals on
It's like a
Nadir.
hurricane music, but
I know.
don't watch that.
Yeah, we know, man.
Just start the truth for me.
Alright.
Bye, tell daddy bye.
Atlas.
Bye bye.
And thank you, daddy.
I scored 2 goals.
Bye bye, Snookums.
Last week
Bye, guys.
Say bye.
on the Nadir and
What's on the playlist this morning? Bye. Happy I wave. Bye. Oh, every morning I rise, I stare at my sons. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my hands to the hills. I'm blessed, oh man, with my 2 hands in the air as far as I can. Oh, 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 oh. Tune that big tune, you know.
You too. Say goodbye to Ivy.
Bye, Ivy. Have a good day. Bye, Ivy. Have a good day at school, Ivy.
Thank you. You boys have a good day at school. Love you all.
Love you too, Mom.
Thanks, Brown. Oh, that's it. Get the cake.
See you later, okay?
Love you, Jax. Have a good one. Good luck with the exams today.
Okay.
Good morning again, friends. Just finished at the gym and literally getting myself in order to get back home so that we can get out. Remember, we're sharing a car, and so we don't have the option of 2. Not that we ever really need to have 2 cars, even though it's feeling more and more like a necessity these days because we're trying to split ourselves in half sometimes. But like I said, for years we make it work with 1 and with the option of 2, and with Gio around, that also helps to have a second car. So yeah, we are supposed to be getting back out of the car today, hopefully. So the boys have exams this week, as Wayne mentioned earlier, and you know, I'm watching Jackson get more and more stressed out about these things, and it's literally heartbreaking because he's such a brilliant kid that, you know, I hate for him to think that his worth or value comes down to grades, you know. And it's such a tough thing because, you know, it's happening with their peers, and it's just part of the feeling in the class, you know, that we have to do well and we have to get good grades. And it's so crazy because, you know, that's not any pressure that like we put on him at home. Like, I'm constantly saying to him, hey, just do your best, you know. That's what my mom used to tell me, just do your best. And even when I was a kid, I knew that when she said that to me, I was like, you just don't get it. But now I understand that she just didn't want us to have that pressure on us, you know. And it's actually making me think a lot about PEP, and it's making me think a lot about how much we are going to share about, you know, Jackson's journey with that, because he is taking on the pressure so close to home, and he's taking it on so much, and I really don't want to add to that. So I've been thinking a lot about, like, you know, when that time comes, you know, how we will choose to share it, if we're still vlogging, which I imagine we will be. But I think, you know, we're gonna have to be very mindful of that, as we are mindful of, you know, other things that we share. I don't want to add any pressure to him, and I thought about that and how much pressure it is in this day and age where, you know, we are sharing certain aspects. So listen, I remember when I was a kid, and, you know, the teacher reading out your grade in the class was just enough for me to just drop down, and I was never getting the top grades in the class, right? So it was also embarrassing, and things that it shouldn't be. You shouldn't be embarrassed in your class ever. Anyway, things I think about and things I've been thinking about that I'm just sharing. So I'm sure other parents feel the same way. I'll take this opportunity also to talk about the fact that please don't mix your bleach and your what's your name again, vinegar, the way we do it. And I do not recommend this. Let the record show, I don't recommend that you try. It's just what we do is that we do a massive amount and literally a little of each, maybe 2 tablespoons of each. So it's really diluted, because the truth is, you know, your floor them need good old water. So yes, for anybody who dropped that message, thank you, because I take it for granted that people know, but it's because it's been something that we do. We know our mixture, but it's not something that you should just become a mad scientist about and try out at home. Another thing I found out recently is that there is a person called Ricardo Boleg. Mr. Boleg, I am so sorry. I genuinely thought that it was a number in my phone from Pops, but apparently it's not. And I just want to say I'm very sorry about that, and I hope you have a good sense of humor wherever you may be. Sometimes I put my foot in it, right? Anyway, I'm gonna go grab a coffee and I'm gonna head home. I wonder if Momo is home. She gets back today, so let's see if she's back safe and sound. Alright, see you at home. Hopefully some construction is happening there too. No, so who is this young girl in my yard?
Good morning.
Hi, beautiful.
How are you?
You look great. No, give me a twirl, girl. Oh, snap. I can't. Listen, people, you know, it's excitement when Momo come home, right? So the house feel like a home again now that she's home. We miss you when you gone in, a lady. Everybody always, I miss Momo. Here's somebody in the comments. Momo gone for true. Gone. As in, you remember when it says you get another job. Momo is very much here. Alright. Let me get myself in order. I don't even eat breakfast yet. Let me do that.
Alright guys, just finished shooting the first episode for the cut, and it went very well. We had a great sit down reasoning. I won't tell you just yet who my first 2 guests are, but maybe by the next vlog I'll tell you guys. Jumping out now, heading back home to go and check up on the site and what's going on up there. There things going yesterday, people. Excitement on the site. Big cookings and big chefings. And don't worry, me did record the segment, so I'm going to throw back to that right here so now. So you guys can see what we were up to on the site. Man, the normal star man go see and go for conquer how much lobster and beer sitting. Bad so? You bring our seasoning too? And plant feet, you know. I'm not seeing a fire lift up yet. Cha-cha. It's a murder. Conk don't beat out? Mm-mm. Them dead off. Look at that now. Yeah. Cement and gravel. Can I can stop a market before you forward?
You right thing, you know, so I don't know, so we're up now, it's done.
you got
And if I work, I have to put enough work and then after. If I work to go back on the road, isn't it?
You got a client on this weekend, eh?
Must have a client and not come from me no money.
Okay.
Baba, it's a woman bag, this is a man bag. Have you? Yo, you can't bag that.
You're right, you're right. Yeah, we can't dep on the site and run boat, you see me? Yeah man, all work and no food. Can't work at all. Eh? Fresh off I see, you know.
Fresh off
Yeah man. And we just put it on the fridge a while, it come fresh. That is it. Tami, inside, you know, the seasoning, kick up on her now, watch her anchor now and wait for the boat for left it dock. Watch her.
When?
Watch her. Can't see her till when everything ready up there now. But so.
I literally was like, it never smells so good.
Tell them, Baba. This is natural.
As you know, I can actually put it down.
Only the one fish there for me, you know.
One time you have to go fight, you know. So wash off and sit down and cover upon them, man.
Oh my God.
Conk till the junk.
Wow, you really have only for comfort room. Don't need no more. Wow, that is it.
You know, you say,
Showing everything.
Ozzy, I have the best one.
well, I don't, come on, I catch you the dirty
Man said, no man, the man said the raw conk.
Eat your one.
Them man I live fancy, you know, so me as a town man have to trust them. But me never hear about eating conk raw yet, but in my eat up my belly I go run, my belly not be like food, you know. We not do this from me not like a picnic, you know.
Last time I tell you, say you are fish and bun, and you tell me say a foolish man tell her. But the people say in the
I
comments
say fish and bun and the people in the comment section say fish and bun is a thing.
That's the thing, man. Not tell
Anyone have like a pliers? Does anyone have some pliers?
I'm a chef.
Now, money people. But what's the case, man? Just try it. Crackers, see him, sir. Put it in the fridge, eat this, sir.
See you, Miss up.
See him, sir, brother. Kong salad in here. Ask.
So all I know, so all them say
Kong salad.
you have to put the conk on the fire feet can chew. You beat out it blow.
No pressure, but you're pressure, you know, man. No. The vlogger, that man, tell him, say, yo.
First people, me not tell you, I trust them.
Kong salad, you know.
So he said, as it's dropped on the fire ready. But now like the season everything coming like it done cook already. A joke thing. There's it have a chef. Fire strike up. Ready for the world right now. Outside cooking. That is it. man.
Yo! That was crazy! Daddy, can I
Ooh,
have
that
one?
bebble.
Daddy, can I have some?
Yeah, man.
This is it for us?
Season hot though, you know, bro. Murder.
We're having some. Yeah, lobster. Guys, the lobsters are almost done. The lobster is almost done.
Funny today, isn't it?
Murder.
This look good.
Find it, you know?
I mean, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, the first bread.
It
is looking good.
Yeah.
It's looking good.
Yeah. Murder.
Oh my word.
Boat land.
Oh
Oh,
my
Jack
word.
Bianca.
But Wayne, I don't have any plates and forks for the guys. We have fork? Let me go get some fork. No, let me get some fork. No, but I need fork. Hold on.
It's distracting. I'm crazy.
Bad.
Bad. Bad your fret. I'll eat one. Who beat the conch? Nice. You know, you're the MVP. Desert it tastes so good. It's a sin.
Murder.
It's a sin.
Bloody murder. Yo, shell people. Shell. This week have it locked.
Dad, give me my money.
Here. Watcha. 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 Who this now? Janet Jackson second cousin?
Very good.
Are you bad say you gotta dance?
Me, I'm not going to dance this way. You know, I'm not going to dance. I'm too old to that now. Big grandma now, you know, set the example.
What you say, a big grandma?
Grandma, you have to set the example.
That is it. That's true, so that's, you know, I love run my joke with you.
Yeah.
So what the man them are go out there, go look?
Me not go look at me.
You know look at?
Me have my coffee, me just come in and see
Okay,
my coffee
okay.
here.
Alright.
Just have my coffee.
Okay, cool. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Cheese.
Momo, come back.
Kiss. Kiss. No kiss? No kiss some more? Kiss. Mwah. You miss me?
You miss
I
Momo?
You miss me? Yes, you miss me. You miss him more. Yes, you miss him more. Come. Come. Oh, hug me more. You miss him more.
Wow, wow, wow. It's looking so good. Amazing. So a lot of people were asking why this don't have any windows, and it's because we won't have any privacy if I put windows right there, and I don't have a view on this side. The view is on that side of the room, so the windows are going that side, and then yeah, it's gonna be good. You watch, all you're gonna be like, oh, that's amazing when it's done. 132.
Alright, and divide that by the 6.
0.6 or 6?
No, just times divide by 6.
22.
Okay. Let me just start 22 times to go open our ears.
Daily daydreaming session in session. We made a lot of good progress today on the house. I'm so excited. I am really looking forward to the next stage, which is, you know, tiling. So yeah,
So you guys were working out the exact maths.
it was not mathing at one point, but then we got it in the end. I got a crash course in calculating the square footage. No, them man, yeah, some different man. The square footage and all that jazz. So, but what is nice is seeing the shape up of the windows.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see it. I mean, Jonna came by today and looked at it, and he liked it a lot. And yeah,
What Momo said about the progress.
she's happy with it. But I was saying today that, you know, people are like, where are the windows? Are you gonna mesh it, guys? Just trust us. Yeah, no problem. You're gonna see the vision come to life. I was telling them we don't have any privacy or any view on that side of the house anyway. So being able to now open our room doors and have fresh air and privacy is a big plus for us.
Yeah.
But we still have like the top. And even with the grills that we're doing on top, they're quite close together so that we have privacy there too.
Yeah. I'm very
It's gonna
excited.
be beautiful.
I think that we're doing enough every day to get completed at our target.
Yeah. I think the next fun thing that you guys are gonna see is like how we chose all of the tiles and stuff. And I think you guys are gonna kind of love that process. So I have to put that together for sure.
Daily daydreaming session has come to an end.
On the vlog, we're gonna sit out here for about 30 minutes and discuss.
And discuss the finer details.